Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the June Trinity 3rd birthday party release. Now let's take a closer look at the brand new Best Tea Party Stamps and Dies. What's cuter than a couple of bears sitting down to have some tea? Not much. This 7-piece stamp set is adorably illustrated with a lot of attention to the little details. See the beehive teapot? The largest bear image measures 2.7 inches by 1.7 inches, and the wood stump measures 3.8 inches by 1.25 inches. There is a coordinating die set available separately, and this coordinating die set perfectly die cuts all 7 different images from the Best Tea Party 4x6 stamp set. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a quick card with this stamp set. I have the Spring Day Scene Builder stencil that I am blending some Goddess Green ink down on the bottom of a panel that measures 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. I am going to make a 5x7 card today. So we'll just keep layering that down on the bottom and moving that stencil from side to side so that we get some good grass at the bottom. And then I'll just kind of blend that in a little bit so that we don't have too white of patches. And then I'm going to bring in the Puffy Cloud Layers stencil and use some Trinity Teal on that as well. And we're going to blend that all the way up the panel. I don't need this entire panel, but I'm not exactly sure how far I need to go or where I need to stop for the die cut that I plan to use. So I'm just going to do this all the way up the full panel. Now that that's done, we're going to bring in the brand new Modern Embossed A7 layer dies, and we're going to make this a little bit wonky. I want it to be wonky on my base, so I'll just tack that down and run that through my die cutting machine. And then I'm going to take the Trinity Gold palette and do some splatters with the rose gold paint that is in there. Splatter that all over that background. Splatters just make everything better. And then once that is dry, I'm going to attach this down to a 5x7 card base using some liquid glue. And like I said, I'm going to put that on there a little bit wonky so that grass will be fairly straight and the clouds as well, but my panel isn't. And now we can start attaching down all of those adorable Best Tea Party images from the 4x6 stamp set. I'm just going to tack those down with a little bit of liquid glue. You could very easily attach this using some foam tape. And we'll just make this adorable little scene. How cute is that they can sit on the stump like that? And then the beehive teapot just has me all like, oh my gosh, so cute. And then I love that there is the coordinating die that cuts out our sentiment that says, "You'll always be my bestie." How cute is that play on words? And then we have 2 darling little bee images that have coordinating dies as well. So we'll just tack those down and we will have completed our cute little scene. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the card that I made for you today. And then let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of cards made by the other design team members. Be sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Have a great day.